Hi, this video is in response to someone's question. The person asked me if it is possible to put a background behind titles in iMovie. Yes, it is possible. Let's see how to do it. I've got this clip which I actually shot at the central railway station here in Kuala Lumpur. I have blurred the clip a little bit because of copyright reasons, so I just bring it down to the timeline. You see that the clip is a bit blur, sorry about that, but copyright is a big issue with YouTube and even otherwise, so we have to be very careful. So now let's see about the titles. So I'll click on titles. Let's look for a good one. Let's see. I'll bring in the centered. This looks nice and simple, and I'll trim this to whatever size we need, and we can type whatever we need to. A bit cheesy, isn't it? So never mind. So we want to put a background behind this, so we go to backgrounds. Now mind you, some of them will not work. I'll show you the one which works. You'll have to actually find out yourself. Like I'll choose this gradient red and bring it down somewhere here, and then we'll choose the video overlay setting. Click on it, and then we'll go to picture in picture. So you see this has become a small little window, and we can drag it behind the title. And we can trim this. You can see here a small little dot. This is actually a transition. We can drag it right to the end, or maybe just leave a little bit of a transition, and we just shorten it to the size of the title. So here you have it. Now here I'll just as a bonus add a few things. What you can do is you can go to maybe here, or you can go to filters, and you can check this. You can have plenty of filters here. You can choose this or whichever you want. Let's try maybe this one. And you can then move this slider to reduce or increase the effect to 100%. So this can be handy a little bit. So in this way actually you can add backgrounds to your titles in iMovie. There is another very good way which maybe I'll show you on another day in another video. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please do click on the like button, because if you do, then YouTube actually will show it to others also who might be looking for the same answers. Thank you very much, and please do subscribe. See you in another video. Bye bye. Thanks.